Hi guys, Carla in California here today. I want to share with you one of my not so secrets to staying hydrated and meeting my water goals. I love these flavored waters and these skinny syrup mixes. Not only do they make drinking water a lot more fun, but they also taste amazing. So today I got this adorable little container to keep my drink mixes organized. If you have any favorite flavors or any drink mixes or any tips on staying more hydrated, please let me know in the comments below. Please stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you a super hydrating drink that I make that adds really a lot of hydration to your drinks, and also a dirty soda recipe, which is a root beer float dirty soda recipe. So this first recipe is like a mock Gatorade. It is so delicious, made with coconut water, and you can use pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. I'll list all the ingredients up on the screen. This is a really good drink if you're not feeling good or you just had a hard workout and you're kind of dehydrated. This one always makes me feel so much better and energized after I drink it. And for my second recipe, I will put the ingredients on the screen here, but it's just really two ingredients. It is a vanilla protein shake and a sugar-free A&W root beer, and it really hits the spot. It's just so satisfying if you're in a mood for something sweet or you just want a little extra treat that day. This one is so good and hits the spot. So make sure you try this one, and the extra benefit is you get some protein with it too. So thank you so much for watching, and follow and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.